Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an hagasni bakhat do jungkamang tingka kaying darbar thau an Meghalaya u MLA ka Mawlai ba Brightstarwell Marbaniang ulara ka Jingkylli cha usumbut menteri rang ba ka jila ba Prestone tensong u badairu menteri ba pet ikatnat Public Works Department roads ban batai ka jinglong jingman jungka National Highway 6 India ka bajutip mensha kum ka NH-40 Guwahati to Shillong section, Barkham tam ya kabenta jung kasurok NH-6 kabayat ling ba Mawlai. Ha Jubab jung uba Prestone tensong loong ba kasurok NH-6 kadika wen kasurok ba kiba kongsan ha jilla, namar ba kapinya so ya jilla Meghalaya barka Guwahati, bar kasurok kabapinyat ya jinyat kali. Bar jinyat yo ha jilla. Ula batay ba kabenta jung ka NH-6 kabayat lingba ka Mawlai kadai kabadan bun ki kali kabayat man kasngi. Kabalawan raru ya kijing dheng kali ba kijing hakalit kawan jong kipat ba. Ulaong ba ka sarkar jalar ringkat ba kitanat ba dikmi kidang shimi ki sunjam ban pin ba bat ban pin bet ya kini ka surok kuntup ya kijing pin ba ya ki benta plus new bat ban pin tikna ba ka surok kan nong kababiang ya kijing yat kali. Ula benrap ru baki kam ban maramot bat ban pin bhai ka surok kidang ya chakmat kat kum ka jingdon jong kamang tingka ba ka jing pinkre jong kitanat bari pen. Na kaliang UMLA kan nong kramba arden malabasayo mon ula benrap lang. Ula pen pau ya ka jing sngokya halor ka jing dheng kali ka bajur bah ha ka benta jong ka NH-6 ha Mawlai bar ki jaka ba marjan. Ula bu Jingkylli ru ya ka sarkar ka don na ki jing yathu jingmut ban pinhe la ne ban pinyar ya ka surong ne ban pelong ya kila jingyat kali ki ba khamba ban pinduna ya ka jing khap nya kali. Uba Prestone tensong haba Jubab ya ka neulong ba ka sarkar ka sothu ya ka jing jong ki pat ba bar ka jingbon kali ha ka ne ka benta bar ka rang prakhat ban bishari kilat kilanti ban pin bha ya ka surok bat ban pin bet ya ka jingyat kali. Ulong ru ba ka sarkar kandang pet benya ye ki jingdon kam jongani ka surok ba kongsan ban pintikna ba ka jingyat kali kanong ka basuk bar ka basngan ye ki pat ba baro.
Vital road, and if yes, whether provisions for footpath, street lights and foot overbridge will also be included, and when will the PWD start the project, sir, if there is?
Sir, I think I've already replied to the question of the honorable member from Mawlai. They stretch right from Lat Umroi up to the connecting point of 106. In fact, 106. In fact, sir, we have already had a proposal for widening of the road with that two option formula that we have. One is 4-lane greenfield project, and number 2 is 2-lane with 12 meters ROW. So right now, sir, we are examining, because taking into the importance of the traffic volume coming and going out of Shillong is huge. So therefore, sir, right now, the stage is that we are going to finalize very soon once the detailed survey is done by the NH-6, sir.
Just one more supplementary. I just want to get a clarification from the Honourable Minister. I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for having clarified the House with regards to the DPR which is in place. I would like to know whether provisions for footpath, street lights and foot overbridge in certain intersection along this stretch, whether those will be included within the DPR.
Yes, sir, certainly, sir.
So, may I know from the Honourable Minister whether there is any encroachment to the right of way along this stretch, sir?
So while the repairing and maintenance work is on, which is being again undertaken by NH-6. Yes, we were informed that few challenges happened in few stretch of this entire approach from Shillong up to Lat Umroi, where even the construction of footpath all along the road is not allowed by few landowners.
No, sir. My question is whether there is an encroachment into the right of way. Because when the government acquire land, it has also included the right of way so that no public can encroach into the right of way. And I think that is the main problem where the government is facing for widening the road, not only in this stretch, but in many other roads, sir.
Yes, sir, we do have these few challenges like that in few stretch, in few portion. It is there, sir. Yes.
So, sir, my question is, what are the steps being taken by the government in order to prevent the encroachment into the right of way in some other areas also? Because as we can see, there is always a tendency of the people, to encroach whenever there is a road, almost to the right of way, sir.
Sir, we have already instructed the district administration, the DC revenue, to take necessary steps in removing this so-called illegal encroaching of those ROW, and the district collector is on the job in doing that, sir.
Thank you, Speaker, sir. Sir, as it was rightly stated by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, that the stretch from Mawlai up to this Umsherpi Bridge is the most congested stretch. Sir, I want to know the mind of the government, whether the government would think, because Deputy Chief Minister has rightly stated that it's meeting many challenges, we understand, due to the congestion. Will the government examine, sir, to have an alternative road from Mawlai via Sunapani behind Nongkwar portion and then come towards Umsherpi Bridge? If this alternative route can be constructed, this congestion will be eased for the entire Shillong, sir. Will the government?
Yes, sir. Again, I think during the reply, I did mention specifically about this, that the 4-lane we would like to have a greenfield project, which means that it will avoid the entire existing road, and we will create a new complete alignment, which will ultimately meeting even the intention of the honourable member who raised this supplementary question, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So you have put already
Just one more. Mr. Speaker, sir, to you, I would like to put one more supplementary question. Whether there is a plan from the government to construct an alternative route from Mawyong via the boundary of Nehu till Jingkylli Solang. If that can be explored, that will be another way to decongest this main road, which is very congested, sir.
Sir, I think the submission made by the honourable member, I will examine it, because see, right now, sir, we are really concerned about the challenges that we have, especially the traffic movement here in Shillong town. So wherever possible, wherever the land is available, we will try our best, sir, to make sure that diversification of traffic as much as possible will be done, sir.
Sir. Sorry. Oh yes, please. Dr. Celestin, please.
So this question relates to National Highway 6 from Jubab to Meetmendru via Shillong bypass. In the last session, I have raised the demands and the needs for foot over bridges in Ribhoi district. in Bernihat, Nongpo, and Umsning, where the discussion with the DC said that the funding will have to come from MORTH, where I requested the Honorable Chief Minister to take up with it. Now, if that fund is not forthcoming, will the state government provide the funds for construction of those foot overbridges? Because it is the need of the hour. That is A. And B, in the Umsning bypass stretch of the road, there is one road which goes as underpass, the road going to 0 point. So there is a bridge, and on the right wing and the left wing, there is a connecting road, which neither the NHAI has made nor the state government. So will the state government provide funds for that? Because it is hardly 100 meters total, 50 meters on the left, 50 meters on the right to connect. So A, will the government provide the foot overbridges if the MORTH does not provide the funds? B, will the state government provide funds to connect the right wing and the left wing of the bridge to connect the old road going to, not old, existing road going to 0 point to the highway? Thank you, sir.
Sir, in fact, the entire stretch of NH-6 from Jorabat up to Lat Umroi is being taken care of by Nahai. In fact, series of meetings were held with the Nahai authority relating to the flood, recurring of flood in the portions like Bernihat, then Nongpo, and even some portion happens in Umsning. So, sir, in fact, the latest information I got, estimate has been already submitted, and now Nahai is only waiting for the necessary sanction from the Ministry of Road Transport so that the solution is reached as far as these challenges that we have. Throughout, whenever the monsoon starts, these challenges happen. That is point number one. And number two, sir, as far as Umsning bypass is concerned, that junction where the Honorable MLA of Umsning mentioned, let me again take it up with the Nahai authority. In case if the fund is not